Hello viewers, today we are talk about Kostan Septia. Kostan Septia, a contemporary Ukraine artist, is known for his deep connection to the culture and historical fabric of homeland. Born on 1982 in Ukraine, Septia grew up in a post-Soviet environment marked by political upheaval, social transformation, and a rich, resilient national identity. His early years in the capital city exposed him to both the challenges of society in transition and the beauty of Ukraine's traditional arts, crafts, and folklore, which would later influence his work. From a young age, Saptir demonstrated an extraordinary passion for drawing and paintings. His childhood in city, steeped in history, exposed him to the rich texture of Ukraine heritage, from the intricate designs of folk embroidery to the iconic golden domes of other dogs' cultures. Septia's parents, recognizing his talent, encouraged his early engagement with art, enrolling him in local art school and workshop. His early education was shaped by a classical European approach which placed a strong emphasis on mastering the fundamental of drawing, color theory, and composition. By the time he received his teenage years, Satyas had begun to explore the more experimental side of art, absorbing the work of Ukraine avant garde artists like Kazimir and Alexander. This mixed traditional and modernist influence created a foundation of for his artistic journey. Shakti attended the State Institute of Decorative and Applied Art and Design, where he honed his technical skill while broadening his conceptual horizon. Shakti's work often reflects a delicate balance between traditional and innovation, deeply rooted in the rich visual language of Ukraine folk art. His paintings are installation encrypt elements of modern abstraction and symbolism. This fusion of old and new allow him to explore themes of national identity, memory, and the complexities of post-Soviet life. His early works were characterized by an exploration of Ukraine landscapes, but these were not mere reproduction of the natural world. Rather, they were imbued with a scene of mythology and symbolism evoking the spirit of the land and his people. Septia's use of vibrant, stipulated colors and textured surface brought a scene of movement and vitality to his canvas. This period marked his growing interest in capturing the essence of Ukraine's rural landscapes and its folk role tradition which resonated deeply with the country's collective conscious. The 2040 revolution, which brought dramatic political and social changes to Ukraine, had a profound impact on Shipta's work. The revolution was time of upheaval, violence, and hope for the artist. Homeland and Shipta responded by turning to more politically charged themes, his displacement and resilience. One of his most notable work from this period, Embers of Landscapes, featured abstract composition rendered in dark hues, with traces of red and orange evoking the flames of resistance.